Okay, we got this 125 pit bike. It's what's it doing? Oh yeah, when the petcock's on, it's leaking gas out of the overflow. So we're gonna take the carburetor off and fix that real quick. So the first things we gotta do, back under here, this bolt I already unscrewed and there's one on the other side. We pull those out. Now the carburetor's free. I'm gonna pull the carburetor down. Now we can take off the slide and the choke. Alright, let's take this choke off because they said they broke it off. Okay. Choke's out. Here, pull that. You can pull this lever out if you want.
Which one is it?
It's this one, I think. Okay. Pull off this fuel line. Okay. Okay. The last part. Undo this slide and it'll just unscrew and slide right out the top, just like that. Now we got the carb. Okay, I'm gonna take the bottom off, show you what it is, what's wrong. Okay, here's the carb. It was leaking. So you said it was coming out of this one?
Yep. No.
This one, right? Yeah. Yeah. Pop these screws.
I got some carb cleaner if you need it.
Let's see. I think it's going to be the plunger. Okay, get that other screw. Some fuel's going out. Ugh, look at that. Look how bad it is. Okay, look at all that shit just fell on that. Put that up to the camera. Go grab that carb cleaner. So we are gonna need it. Okay, look what was in there. That was in the bowl. So this pin has to come out. Bam. Now we're going to pull this float out and there's going to be a plunger attached to the bottom of it right here, and it's probably pitted when I rub my finger over it. So we'll put that there. And okay, so after we opened it up, the plunger wasn't too bad. It was, everything's just a little dirty. This is filthy on the inside. It's got, I don't know what that is, sand and crud, all this stuff that came out of it. So we'll clean this. We'll take a Q-tip and down in here, we'll get all the dirt out of this. Put a little bit in here. Nice. Not too bad at all. Okay, now that's clean. Now that part's clean. Now we'll just take the carb cleaner and we'll spray both these pieces out good. Tell me when you got me. Got it. So let's just clean out all these little ports. Nice. That piece is clean. Now this piece is horrible. Now we can get down in all these little cracks down in here, because this thing's bad. I don't know, I wonder what that was. You know what I mean? I wonder what that looks like. It looks like poop. It does, it looks like poop. Look at the color of it. Alright, let me spray it one more time. Alright, let's put it back together. Okay, all the pieces have been cleaned. First piece. After this piece has been all washed, nice. Okay, that's working. Plunger sits on. It goes down this little hole. There we go. Okay, we're in the hole. Take this pin. Put it through, we're good. You see how we're jumping up and down now? That's what you want to see. That little like do-do-do-do. Take our lid, put it on, put our screws in. Okay, tighten them down. We don't want them leaking out of there. Spacer, which isn't that great of a spacer, but let's put it back on. Okay, first step, we take our slide. This side. Okay. It's only gonna want to go in one way. It's gonna slide down and we just tighten the cap down. There it is. Take our spacer, line it up in the back. We'll start our bolts. We'll tighten them down. Check your throttle. Make sure it's not binding up. Okay, we're looking good. Last thing, put our fuel line down on here. Okay, now we'll test it. Okay, we got it all hooked up. Let's see if we get this thing started. It doesn't seem to be dripping. It's not dripping anymore. First kick, first try, every time. put the filter back on it. Let's put the filter back on it real quick. We're not dripping though, that's good. That part's fixed. Start it back up. We'll let it warm up.